make any comment on the UCC.
Meghalaya Chief Minister on Tuesday informed that the chairman of the respective regional committee of Assam and Meghalaya will conduct a joint visit to Khanduli village on Wednesday or Thursday. Assam Cabinet Minister Piyush Hazarika, who is heading the regional committee for West Karbi Anglong district, and Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya Dhar, who is heading the regional committee for West Jaintia Hills, will visit Khanduli village in a bid to resolve the ongoing deadlock between the Karbi community and the Panar community due to alleged illegal check gates set up in that area. While reacting to the recent closure of case by the one-person commission headed by Justice Rumi Kumari Phukan, retired, instituted by Assam government probing the Mukro violence after no one turned up before the commission during its sitting at the Assam House, Shillong, Sangma said Meghalaya government has set up its own judicial commission.
The regional committee chairmen of Assam and of Meghalaya are visiting Khanduli. So Mr. Piyush Hazarika and Mr. Meghalaya Dhar, the chairmen of the two respective committees, will be visiting Khanduli tomorrow or the after. I was told 16th, but if not 16th, then 17th for sure. We have put up our own judiciary commission, so we are waiting for our judiciary commission to work. So that's what it is. And cooperation is whenever necessary. Our officials are in touch, so it's not that we are completely neglecting. Maybe at that point in time when the person came, our people were not there. So that could be a one-off case. But as I said, the Judiciary Commission has been put up by Meghalaya.
The Department of